Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute strawberry. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw the calyx at the top side of the strawberry. Then, I draw the receptacle part for the body of the strawberry. Next, I draw the achenes, the tiny seeds, all over the strawberry. Now it's time to color. First, I use green for the calyx. Then, I use yellow for the achenes. I use red to color the whole receptacle side of the strawberry. The strawberry is a sweet, juicy red fruit, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, and is loved worldwide for eating fresh, in desserts or drinks. And that's it! Our shiny strawberry is ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawing and coloring videos. See you in the next one. Bye!